Ah, yung si Meta. Eh, nagre-record ka pala kay Meta eh.
No, I'm just
Lalabas kami daw. Okay. Yung tapat mall daw. So, punta kami sa food court. So, yan lang. Okay. Ito yung sidewalk. Alright. This is a part of Sheraton pa rin.
I don't think so. I think the Royal Hawaiian.
Royal. This is
It's
the
famous
oh, this is a
Royal-
hotel
Yeah, Royal Hawaiian Hotel with mall.
with mall din. Pero mas maganda yung mall nila dito kesa sa Sheraton.
I don't know. So,
Bakit ano lang? Bakit sila? Ano yun?
Kaya nga may line sila. I don't know where they were going.
Ano tayo?
Huh?
Pipila rin tayo? Ah, dito tingnan natin garden nila. Wala silang swimming pool. Wala silang swimming pool. May swimming pool nila sa rooftop. Mainit naman dito.
Ito yung to the right side. Rock formation. Kasi meron sila, somebody is teaching hula.
Ah, somebody is teaching hula. Yeah, you wanna go there?
Okay, let's go there.
And what's them?
This is nice, right? I hope you don't mind doing this. I love her dress. See, to the left is the mall na.
Ah,
The second floor is the food court.
okay.
So we'll see what the... so Royal Hawaiian Center.
Ano mo yung init?
Winner?
Na, ito ka pa. Ayan, ito, shade.
So you see that there's to the left, it's a Waitiki Road, right? There's all shops.
Ah, sa PF Chang.
Ito, to the left.
Saan?
Ba tayo kakain yan?
Oo, doon tayo kumain. Tapos na? Ang bilis. Ang bilis na pagkasabi ng kain eh. Hindi pa nga ano eh.
Ha?
Hindi pa nag-uumpisa. Alis na.
Wow, this is so cool. Tignan nyo nga siya, yung kanya ano.
Helen.
So cute. All right, I'm gonna take a Yeah, perfect.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Hey, gotta take a video.
Yung tama na.